Good morning, guys. I had to bust out my camera and rush out here real quick. I see that I have some unwanted guests got in my chicken coop here. What are you guys doing in there? You guys feel dumb? You don't belong in here. There's like 3 or 4 different kinds of birds in there. How'd you guys even get it? Oh, I see. Mr. Skunk came back and dug the hole again. Yep, Mr. Skunk came and dug this big old hole. And all these birdies got stuck in here. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Let's you out of here. Come on. Come on, guys. There we go.